Hello and welcome to another episode of the One Motorhome. This is the channel where we try to find the perfect motorhome, the perfect layout and basically the perfect design for you. Today we've got a bit of a treat for you. We're going to be demonstrating a Swift Voyager 694. Now it's a brand new 2023 model. It's built on a Ford chassis. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. And we'll start on the outside having a really good look around, and then we'll come inside and go through all the details in here. But enjoy the video, guys, and remember to put a thumbs up, like the video, comment, and of course subscribe if you like the content. Beautiful Ford cab, really well made. The Fords, they've been going for a long time. This particular one, as I mentioned, 155 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Really nice colour grey going into the habitation, actually, with the decals along the side. It's got 16-inch alloy wheels, and look at these graphics running all the way along the side of this van. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a really nice size habitation door, so really easy access. And then just above there, you can see it's got an LED light, obviously to keep this area illuminated of an evening. And if you see these grills here, this obviously means that it's got a huge fridge freezer in it, but I'll show you that when we get inside. Just to the right here, that's your toilet cassette. So that's where your toilet cassette lives. And you've got your water filler here, so that's where you fill up your fresh water. And this one, you can actually suck water out of a container into the freshwater tank. The freshwater tank and the wastewater tank are heated, so they're winterized. Just going into the garage here, look at this. Really nice space in here, lots of room for keeping all your items. And conveniently, just down here actually, you've got a 240 volt plug, a 12 volt socket and 2 USB points as well. So that's a really nice size area under there for keeping all your belongings. Just close that up. Moving around to the back. Again, looks really sleek, nice lights. You've got the bike rack rails on there as well, so you can literally just clip a bike rack to this. And then just above that bike rack, the bike rack rails, there is a reversing camera, but I'll show you the screen for that when we get inside. On the opposite side of this van, you have got a garage door, so you've got access from both sides. And if you can see in there, we've got tie down points as well, so you can secure items into there, which is very handy. You don't want things sliding around as you're driving. Again, look at these graphics as we go, and the windows are actually really tightly fitted to the body there, so they're not sticking out a lot at all, which is good. This is where you store your gas, and in there you can have a 6 kilogram and an 11 kilogram bottle. And then just beneath here, this is where you plug into your electricity. So if you're on a campsite or you're at home charging the vehicle, that's where you do that. But let's just have a quick walk round of this van. Absolutely fantastic. Let's go inside, shall we? So just inside the cab now, really nicely laid out actually. It's got the multimedia package, so you've got satellite navigation, reversing camera, DAB radio, all those sorts of things there. And obviously, as I mentioned, it's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Really comfortable, the Ford Transit, so you can sit here and relax, and even if you're on a long journey, you're never going to feel like your back's hurting and things like that. Well, hopefully not, because it's such a comfortable seat. So just going inside the habitation door here, just below here, if you can see that, that is a little bin which is conveniently placed. And actually, pretty cool actually, you've got a umbrella holder here, so that suits our British weather, doesn't it? Just as you're going in case you're going to Scotland or something like that, you have got a fly screen or a mosquito net. I know that Scotland's famous for its mosquitoes, but moving in, let's have a look. Right, so I'm going to explain this to you. The driver's seat and the passenger seat, they obviously swivel around, so that makes good use of that cab space there. On the left hand side, we've got a forward facing travelling seat with a seat belt. Now underneath the right sofa here, we also have a seat which is identical to this one. So you've got two forward facing seats with travelling seat belts in the rear, which you can very conveniently tuck away. So you've got this gorgeous layout, really nice size lounge space, and you've got the seat belts tucked away. Just above the seat here, you've got quite a lot of storage space. So one in here, one up there, and the same on the other side. And there's also a little bit of storage either side here and here. And of course you've got that lovely skylight on the top there, which brings in all the natural light here. Now this table does move around and you can actually fold it. So just to show you, you can fold that over and slide that in. So, and obviously still move that table around. Now, just to explain you how the bed's made, that table drops down and you've got this whole area as a double bed. So it's really nice actually. So it's a lovely van for a family. Right, so this is your kitchen area and there's plenty of work surface here. And just to point out, this is how you control the table in the front. So it's an electric table. Obviously this is to go down, press up to go up. And that electronically moves that table up and down that we were just speaking about. In the kitchen, you've got a nice hob here with 3 gas burners and an electric hot plate. And as you probably well know, this electric hot plate is brilliant if you're on a campsite and you don't want to waste your gas. You can plug into their electricity and use that electric hot plate. You've got a grill oven here, which is a nice size. You can fit chicken in there. And then underneath that, a big drawer to keep all your saucepans and things like that in there. And then just to the left of that, let me just open this up for you. You've got another big space actually for storing everything in here. Just on the top there, you've got a draining board and also a chopping board as well, which comes with the van. And of course, it does run hot and cold water in this vehicle, and it runs from gas and electric. Just above, we've got a nice plate rack in there. More storage and even more storage up on the top there. So you've got plenty of space for all your kitchen equipment, and nice little rack in there as well to keep things in. Quite nice. Just to the left here, excuse me, just to the left here, you've got 2 3-pin plugs, so you can plug in your toaster, your kettle, those sorts of things. And obviously this is the switch for the lights on and off. Opposite the kitchen, obviously you've got your habitation door, but to the left of that, you've got this really nice size fridge freezer. Huge, look at this. Lots of space in there for all your wine, beer, and maybe some food. And a big freezer box for your ice cubes and you know, your frozen food. This fridge is pretty cool. You can open it up both ways, so open it from the left or the right. Just above the fridge, you've got more storage space, and just on the top there, you've got a that's your solar. So that's your solar charge. So obviously this vehicle's got a solar panel on the roof. Just beneath the fridge freezer, another handy compartment. And then just behind this door, we've got the bedroom, toilet and shower. So let's go in and have a look. Just behind the door, you've got the toilet with an electric flush, a wash basin, and obviously this runs hot and cold water, and again runs from gas and electricity. Nice mirror for getting ready. Hello. And to the right of that mirror, we've got a cupboard for keeping all your bits and bobs. Just beneath the sink, you've got more cupboard space. In fact, there's a lot of space in there to keep all your items, and a little, looks like a little cubby hole for a toilet roll, and also a towel rail. So it's got everything you need in here. Opposite the toilet, you've got the shower, and it's a separate shower. We've got a skylight just above. Obviously this is the shower head, and then if you have a look down, there's plenty of space in there. One thing to point out, you've got a skylight in the toilet and in the shower, so plenty of skylights to basically let the steam out and keep the air in. So moving forward, or should I say moving back from the toilet and shower area, you've got this sliding door here and on the other side. So I'll just open that up, and then look at this. You've got a huge island bed in here. People really like these beds actually, because you can get out either side. You don't have to jump over each other to get out of bed. And there's plenty of storage in here as well. So you've got cupboard space up on the top here and here, and his and hers, either side, wardrobe. So a lot of space in there. Just quickly show you in there actually, just so you can get an idea of the space. So hanging wardrobe in there, cupboard in there, and then it's exactly the same on the other side. Just to the left of me here, you've got little shelves where you can keep items. and also there is a 240 plug point there as well. And just to show you, actually, let's have a look. You can see if I can do this, lift this up and you've got more storage underneath there as well. So it's got a good bit of storage in this van. It really has. Just to the right up top here, again, another 240 plug, a 12 volt and an aerial connection for the TV. But yeah, really nice sized bedroom. To finish this demonstration, I thought I'd have a little bit of a lay down. It's very tiring stuff, you know, this demonstrating. Just to run through a few of the details for you. Obviously, I know you like all the specification and stuff. So this vehicle, the overall length is 6.85 meters. So that's the length of the motorhome. And the width with the mirrors folded is 2.37 meters. So it's a really nice size motorhome, and it's only on a 3.5 ton chassis as well. So you can drive this on any license. It's got a payload of 424 kilograms. The front double bed, when it's all made out, is actually 194 centimeters by 132 centimeters. And the rear double, the one that I'm in at the moment, this nice, lovely, comfortable bed, which I'll have a job to get out of, is 206 centimeters by 115 centimeters. So 6'9" by 3'9". So it's a big island bed, nice size and very comfortable, like I say. So then guys, I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. Really nice family van on a 3.5 ton chassis. If you like the content, then do give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or you just like to tell me how you think I'm doing with these demos, then leave a comment below. And also, if you want to see videos, the upcoming videos, then do subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Just click on the logo and click subscribe. Click the little bell, which will give you notifications when new videos are coming up. Just want to say a big thank you to Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury as well for letting me demonstrate this van today. So a big thumbs up to them. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.